Yes, those are the important or unique features of the Constitution. Yes. So today in this session we are going to learn about third unique feature of the Constitution, that is fundamental rights and duties. That is fundamental rights and duties. Do you know how many fundamental rights we have in our Constitution or in our India? How many fundamental duties are there? Do you know anyone? So let that only today in this session we are going to learn in part 6 or session number 6. So let us move the explanation part of the fundamental rights and duties. See here, the Constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights. How many? The Constitution guarantees 6 fundamental duties to citizens and present. Yes? See here. In our Constitution, government guarantees that there are 6 fundamental duties or 6 fundamental rights we have. Yes, don't get confusion between the duties and rights. Actually, we have 6 fundamental rights. Yes, so at present we have 11 duties, 11 fundamental duties we have. Later on, after coming to last point, I will explain that also. See, so there are 6 fundamental rights are there, and at present 11 fundamental duties are there. Yes, where are they? There are in our Constitution. For what purpose they have made? For the citizens of Indian people, the citizens of India, for the people purpose, these fundamental duties and fundamental rights has been given. Yes. See, the state can never pass any law that curbs these fundamental rights. Curbs means what here? See, state never can be changed these fundamental duties and rights, because in our Indian Constitution only these all fundamental rights and duties were mentioned. So nobody can change these fundamental rights and duties, and even nobody can violate these duties and rights. Yes? Next. In case of violation of fundamental rights, the judiciary has the power to rectify it. If anybody violation of fundamental rights or duties, the judiciary, which is the third organ of the Indian Constitution or government, this judiciary will rectify that violation. Who did that? Yes, then definitely they will get punishment. Yes. Next, the citizens cannot exercise their rights as per their whims and fancies. See, here curbs, whims and fancies. These are the 3 important points for you, and when you will get this video, write the meaning of curbs, fancies and whims. Also judiciary. Yes. See here. Next, the citizens cannot exercise their rights as per their whims and fancies. According to the people, cannot be changed their duties and rights here. But already in our Indian Constitution, these all the rights and duties were mentioned. Yes, these all the rights and duties are very helpful for the people. For the people, only these duties and rights were made, or they were written in uploads in its constitution. Yes, constitution uploads in principle. Principle means, what is principle? Rules and the regulations. Yes, the constitution uploads in its principles of secularism. What I have written, the constitution uploads the principles of secularism. What all are the principles the people of constitution or the people of India need to follow? The principles of secularism has been written in our Indian constitution. Yes, so this secularism is a very one kind of important role which has been taken in constitution. It's regarding our religion. Yes, according to the our Indian constitution, there is no religion between the peoples, among the peoples. Yes, but then for that reason only our Indian constitution uploads the principles of secularism. Yes. So now the question is that what is meant by the secularism? When you will get this video, write the meaning of secularism. What is meant by the secularism? Yes. Next, the governments are expected to make no discrimination on. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. There is no, always the government expected from people that there is no religion among the people. For each and every people there is only one religion, that is, we all are Indian. Yes? See, the governments are expected to make no discrimination. There is the people need to make themselves only, that is no discrimination, the basis of religion, and are expected to treat all religions equally. Yes, we have a discrimination between religion. You belong to this religion, I belong to this religion, and he belongs to that religion. That is a discrimination. Means making a differences between the religions. Discrimination. Yes, making a differentiation. Yes. See, so that's why the government mentioned a principle of secularism in constitution. Yes, the explanation of that secularism means, or the explanation of that principle of the secularism is that the government are expected to make no discrimination on the basis of, there is no discrimination on the basis of religion, and they are expecting, they are means our government is expecting or expected to treat all the religion equally. Yes, nowadays also, in ancient times to nowadays also, we people are just verbally we used to say this one. Verbal means orally we people are saying that there is no differentiation between religion. Yes, but actually what is that? We people are making differences. Differences we are doing. Yes, we are doing discrimination. That is a wrong thing. Yes, so the government has declared, or it told that us, it not only it's told, even it's expecting from us that there is no difference. There is, means don't do the discrimination between the religion and see the all the religions equally, or treat the all the religions equally here. Yes, nice. The government considered no religion as its religion. The government considers that no religion as its religion. There is no religion between Indian people, because we all are in India. We all are binded in our constitution. We all are prime members. Prime members, not PM, Prime Minister, not that one. Prime members means we all are having rights and duties which has been given by our Indian constitution. The constitution only made for us. faith. Nambike. Yes? Next. The government has the authority to control the freedom to practice one's religion in the interest of the public. See what I have written. The government has the authority to control the freedom to practice one's religion in the interest of the public. The government always took authority to control the freedom of religion. Understood? Otherwise, this discrimination will create a problem for the government only. Understood? That's why in secularism, the government